Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Bitcoin. Going to do a full update here. It's going to be, right now, I mean obviously it's Thanksgiving Day, so the stock markets are closed. So we're going to get less volatility, and that is in general, I would say, what we already had yesterday. Yesterday was, well, we moved quite a lot, of course. Bitcoin moved this entire move back up to 97,000, but overall, first of all, there was not a lot of volatility. If you look at altcoins performed relatively well as well. And then what's also the case is that there wasn't a lot of volume. And that's what we talked about yesterday in the live stream already, is that the entire move up, the volume went down, which is in general not what you want to see, right? Volume was very high on Wednesday or on Tuesday when we had that sell-off, and just in general, we really protected some price levels at 92,000. But then volume started dropping down, and it kept dropping down until we reached the top. So what we already said yesterday is that it was unlikely that we were going to get up to 100,000. And right now it seems to me, when we're looking at Bitcoin, you can also see that after we hit this level right here at 96,000, which was a very strong resistance level, positions started to be closed off. So not only was the volume low and did the volume increase lower, no, we also lost some leverage and just in general some buying pressure. And now it looks to me like Bitcoin is going to consolidate. And I would actually say that that's bullish, all right? Consolidating here, like if you zoom out, if we're going to get a consolidation, by the way, daily close is actually pretty good, I would say. But if we're going to get a consolidation here in this region between 91,000 and 97,000, while the Bitcoin dominance is dropping down, which it is right now, those are great circumstances for altcoins and great circumstances to trade. So I actually think, when looking at Bitcoin specifically, I actually think it's most likely, also after breaking down below 96,000 here, and just in general kind of the trend you see right now with positions being closed off, and potentially getting into a range. The bottom of the range would not be here, right? The bottom of the range would be 93,000, 92,000, maybe even lower. It's a possibility depending on the circumstances. So what I would say and what I would expect over the course of today and just in general right now in terms of the market structure, is that we will see more bearish momentum for Bitcoin and that we will kind of consolidate here in this area between 97,000 or 96,500 kind of as the top of the range, and then 92,000 as the bottom of the range. That seems most likely for now. Is that bad? That Bitcoin is going to be a little bit more bearish? No, all right. Bitcoin dominance right now looks bearish, so that's great for altcoins. And when we look across the board right now, with the dollar strength index that has found strong resistance here and hasn't really found strong support, the USDT dominance that actually got some bearish confirmations as well. And just in general, like stock markets are still bullish, even though they're closed today. But all of that together, I would say the fundamentals and the circumstances around the market are still fine. So I don't see any reason at the moment. Coinbase Bitcoin Premium, by the way, is also fine. It's dropping down a bit, but that's also normal because there isn't any US trading going on. So not a lot of buying. So given the circumstances, I don't really see a reason why we would get into a downtrend on the higher time frames. Short term, like I said, I think we're going lower. I think we're going to the bottom of the range right here to actually set up some sort of a strong range here. And then within that range, we can trade more easily, all right? You just long, strong altcoins while we're at the bottom of the range. And, well, if you do want to take some extra risk, you short the weaker ones at the top of the range. So that's what I would say is most likely for now. I will keep you updated on this, of course, over the course of today. I'll probably be back with a middle of the day market update as well, but that depends a little bit on if we actually have some movement. But those are my thoughts. That's sort of thing you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.